Ang susunod po nating tanong ay galing sa 4365. Nag-resign po ako sa trabaho ko bago matapos po akong pilitin na pinagtatrabahuhan ko na magturo ako, which was not included sa job description ko. I was supposed to be an assistant teacher / school nurse, kaya nang bigyan ako ng teaching load, hindi po ako pumayag at wala rin po kasi akong education major. I terminated my employment just before my contract ended. Dahil po doon pinagbabayad ako ng 40,000 peso bond. Kailangan ko nga po bang bayaran yung bond na yon? Naka-hold din po ngayon ang remaining salary ko po, no? Ano po ang dapat kong gawin? Attorney Nick.
Mas magandang masasagot na naman din yan.
Siyempre.
Okay. Basta labor, pinapasa sa akin. Ngayon, ito, you have no obligation to pay that 40,000 bond, no? Dahil as a matter of fact, umalis ka na eh. Dapat yung bond na yun, if ever, because of property or cash responsibility, that's when the company actually asks the employees to be hired to fill up the position for a bond. In your case naman, hindi. Assistant teacher at saka nurse ka lang. There is no occasion there for the putting up of a bond. In any case, dahil pinagpapaturo ka, assistant teacher ka eh. Di siyempre, hindi mo masasabing hindi yan isa sa iyong mga tungkulin. Tungkulin mo rin yan. Dahil assistant teacher ka. At tinanggap mo as assistant teacher and nurse.
Pero sinasabi niya it was not in the job description.
Maski na. Pero the fact that he was indicated in the contract as person who is supposed to be an assistant teacher, so he is supposed to take over a teaching position whenever the principal teacher is not around.
When it's,
para substitute teacher ba siya?
Meron lang akong gusto liwanagin dito.
Kukumpletuhin muna natin yung kanyang tanong. Ngayon, dahil ikaw'y umalis na before your contract is before the expiration of your contract, ikaw ay liable ka rin dyan for damages. Breach of contract, dahil under our law sa labor code, you are supposed to give your employer 30 days notice. Kung fixed term yon, at least you have to wait for the expiration of the term. Hindi, bigla kang umalis yan,
pwede kang habulin.
Mahali kang habulin doon.
Ang daan na yung band na sinasabi.
Yung salary na withhold.
Well, withhold, that's illegal withholding of wages under Article 116 of the Labor Code. Kasi maski na mayroon kang ginawang kasalanan, hindi maaring i-withhold yung wage mo Kaya dahil pinagtrabahuan mo na yan, at the employer is supposed to pay you for work already rendered.
Ang hindi ko lang gusto ko na liwanagin dito, yung sinasabing band, ang band pangkaraniwan, pagpasok mo ng trabaho.
Exactly.
Bakit ito?
Sinabi ko, tapos na.
Tapos na
Kung kailan siya nag-resign, tsaka siya pinagpapalagay.
Anyway, medyo